What's up, world? Yeah. Yeah. That's right. New ride. It's not mine. It's my buddy Joe's. It's his first car. Well, first race car, that is. Picked it up with his own money. Got it from a good friend of ours. It was his race car. And as you can see, it's pretty clean. He already changed out the headlights and the tails. Those nice LEDs. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of work on this thing. Currently has no motor, that's why it's monster truck in the front. Intercooler's just hanging there. The block's been sent off to CNS Motorsports in New Hampshire to have sleeves done, have it decked, jet washed, and yeah, you know, slap a big old turbo on it. Head is already built, full valve train, cams, port and polish, all that good shit. This thing's gonna be a monster. But yeah, today what we're gonna be doing is we're just gonna be doing some cleanup shit. Gonna go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or somewhere, get some paint. We're gonna paint the engine bay since the motor's out, make it all clean. Try to kind of tuck as much as we can with the wires, and just make it more of like a showpiece. You know what I mean? I mean, he's already got a lot of goodies for this thing, so stay tuned. Alright, so we just got back from the store, went and picked up some paint. Got that good old Rust-Oleum. So yeah, we're gonna start getting all the things out, radiator, catch can, things like that, and clean up the bay and then paint it. Looking a lot cleaner.
Fuck yeah, it is.
Alright, so we got the bay taped up as much as possible. We're just going to do one side at a time. We're going to do this side, and then we'll move over and get all those wires and everything taken care of, and then paint that side. But yeah, let me get to it. Alright, so we got the first coat on. Pretty good. I'll let that dry, throw another coat down, and keep going. Alright, so we got the rest of it painted. Came out pretty good. I do say so myself.
For a week.
Looks good. I think that's going to be it for today. See you on the next one.